Can you recognize the iconic cars of the 1980s? Test your knowledge with this tricky quiz for each car shown. See if you can name it correctly before the multiple choice options appear. Score 5 points for each correct answer without hints and 2 points if you need the options but still get it right. Round 1. Which classic British car from the 1980s is shown here? Is it a 1982 Lotus Esprit, B 1985 TVR 350i, C 1984 Aston Martin Lagonda, or D 1983 Bristol Brigand? Did you guess a 1982 Lotus Esprit? Awesome! This car was a symbol of British sports car design with its wedge shape and appearance in James Bond films. If you got it right without the hints, you earned 5 points. If you needed the multiple choice options but still nailed it, that's 2 points. Round 2. Name this 1980s classic British model. Here are your options. A 1986 Reliant Scimitar GTE, B 1988 Jensen Healey GT, C 1985 Panther Callista, or D 1987 AC. And the correct answer is the 1986 Reliant Scimitar GTE. With its distinctive shooting brake design, it remains a standout example of British automotive ingenuity. Round 3. Which 1980s British luxury car is this? What's your pick? A 1983 Bentley Mulsanne, B 1985 Daimler 66, C 1981 Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit, or E 1984 Vanden Plas 1500. If you selected the C 1981 Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit, well done. The car was known for its opulent interior and smooth ride. Round 4. Take a look at this real classic. Tell me what you think. Is it a 1989 Morgan Plus 8, B 1987 Lotus Excel, C 1986 TVR 420 Seek, or D 1988 Marcos Manchula? Did you choose the 1989 Morgan Plus 8? You are correct. This one was noted for its traditional styling and powerful V8 engine. Round 5. What's the model of this 1980s British classic? Is this a 1985 Austin Montego, B 1987 Ford Sierra Sapphire, C 1984 Vauxhall Cavalier, or D 1986 Rover 800? The answer is a 1985 Austin Montego. This vehicle was known for its spacious interior and angular design. Round 6. Which car is this from the 1980s? Is it a 1986 Aston Martin V8 Vantage, B 1988 Jaguar XJS, C 1985 Bristol Britannia, or D 1987 Bentley Turbo R? Correct, it's B, the 1988 Jaguar XJS. This model is famous for its long hood design and grand tourer styling. Round 7. Identify this classic 1980s British vehicle. Is it a 1983 MG Metro Turbo, B 1985 Austin Maestro, C. 1987 Rover 200, or D. 1984 Ford Escort XR3i? If you opted for the 1983 MG Metro Turbo, you are a classic car champ. This vehicle is renowned for its pocket rocket performance and sporty looks. Round 8. Take a guess at this stunning 80s icon. Can you name it? Is this classic car a 1980 Triumph TR8, B. 1982 TVR Tasman, C. 1984 Lotus Excel, or D. 1986 Reliance Scimitar SS1? Good eye, it's the 1980 Triumph TR8. This classic was known for its V8 engine and being the last of the TR line. Round 9. Can you name this rare, elegant piece? Is it a 1987 Aston Martin V8 Vantage Volante, B. 1985 Bristol Beaufighter, C. 1989 Jaguar XJRS, or D. 1986 Panther Calista? If you answered a 1987 Aston Martin V8 Vantage Volante, you are correct. This high-performance convertible was a pinnacle of British luxury and power. Round 10. What's the name of this 1980s British car? Is this classic car a 1982 Talbot Samba, B. 1984 Austin Metro, C. 1986 Proton Saga, or D. 1988 FSO Polonas? If you said a 1982 Talbot Samba, you are on the money. This small car was a collaborative effort between Peugeot and the remnants of the British Roots Group. It's time to add up your points and check your ranking. How many points did you score? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for playing. How about another round?